nature and wildlife. Official YouTube. Best for you. Carpenter bee. The carpenter bee is a large type of bee with its bluish-black color, and the carpenter bee is very attractive. Caterpillar. Caterpillars are included in insecta animals. This caterpillar has protection on its body in the form of thorns that resemble tree branches. The edges of the body are bright red. Skipper butterfly is a type of butterfly that has the fastest flying speed, but its body size is smaller compared to other types of butterflies. Towny-coster butterfly. Towny-coster butterfly. Well, this beauty has the scientific name Acrea terpsichore. This butterfly flies very slowly, but its body is one of the most storm-resistant. Butterfly Appius libetheo. I haven't found the name for this one yet. Its scientific name is Appius libetheo. Black soldier fly. Characteristics. Body shape resembles a wasp. Dominant black color, size around 16 millimeters, white head with long antennae, black legs, and membranous wings. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are herbivorous insects of the suborder Califera in the order Orthoptera. These insects have antennae that are almost always shorter than their bodies and also have short ovipositors. These insects are generally winged, although their wings are sometimes unable to be used for flight. Female grasshoppers are generally larger than male grasshoppers. Grasshoppers prefer moist, open areas with lots of grass and other low plants, although some species live in forests or wilderness. Cicada, the name for all types of insects in the superfamily Cicadoidea in the suborder Cicadomorpha, order Homoptera. This insect is known for many of its members who make loud sounds from the trees and last a long time. This green grasshopper is considered an immature size because it has not yet grown perfect wings. It's really fun to catch grasshoppers and see and touch them without having to hurt them. We must always maintain the ecosystem and environments so that all types of animals and plants continue to exist. Please like and subscribe. Raniaria calchata can reach a body length of about 5 to 10 millimeters. This stilt-legged fly has a very elongated, parallel-sided, and slender black body. Its head is small and rounded, with short antennae. Its abdomen is black, long, and narrow. Amazing caterpillar. A beautiful spiny caterpillar that eats leaves to grow into a butterfly. Dragonfly. Nature and wildlife. Official YouTube. Best for you. Thanks for watching.